Rhett, what happened to your four-wheeler? It stopped working? Oh no! Do you want to tow it to the garage and work on it? Let's go get your tow tractor! Okay, you got your tractor, and I've got the rope. Let's go tow your four-wheeler back and work on it. You ready? Let's go. All right, you gonna hook up your rope? Yep. Hook it on. Maybe we should hook it to the handlebars. All right, do you think it's ready?
Yeah.
All right, Rhett, let's tow it back to the garage. Let's go. Go slow. There you go. Rhett made his way back to the garage. Now it's time to remove the rope, get his tool belt, and fix his four-wheeler. All right, you want to get your tool belt?
Okay.
You got your drill. All right, grab your tool belt. All right, let's go work. Are you ready? Let's get to work on your four-wheeler so we can fix it and you can ride it again. Using your screwdrivers? All right, you fixed the wheel? Good job. Got your wrench? You tightening it up? Good job. All right, grab your screwdriver and take that screw out, Rhett. Let's look at the engine. Is that where the engine is? All right, let's look inside. All right, do you think it needs some work? Maybe you need to tighten it up with your wrench. All right, grab your wrench. Let's do some tightening. Oh, you can use the hammer. Screwdriver. There you go. Your drill. Let's take a look in there and see what might be the problem. I don't know yet, but I think you're gonna fix it. Very good. All right.
Look.
Do you think that's gonna work?
Yeah.
All right, let's put the lid back on. Put the seat cover back on. Good job. All right, tighten the screw back up with the screwdriver. Use the one in your hand.
Maybe good job. Maybe good job. Good job.
You did a great job. Are you screwing the screw back in?
Yeah.
Good job, buddy. Turn that screwdriver.
They go.
That is a long screw, isn't it?
Yeah. Look.
All right. Do you think it's tight? I think so.
Good job.
Way to go, bud. All right, let's check it out. Okay, Rhett, do you think you fixed it? All right, we're gonna try it out. All right, let's give it a go. 1, 2, 3, go! Yahoo, it's working! Good job, buddy. Thanks for watching. Hit subscribe so you don't miss out on more learning and fun.